Hello everyone, good morning to my very good. Even though I don't know how long that is gonna go, but to welcome to my another vlog. And right now I have like just waken up half an hour ago, and ah, क्या किसका है? किसी का नहीं है?
कर रहा ना।
तो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ.
ओ वीडियो बना रहा है।
हाँ. Right now I am gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna record some clips.
ले दूध का नाम कर रहा।
No. No. Onion. It's just for the test, I am still getting the basis of it. In this angle, it's over here, and when I do this, the camera is at bottom. I don't know. In mirror, it looks like fine. That's why I'm in front of the mirror, but there's like camera coming up here too. But yeah, I mean, this is fine, right? Here I am coming straight still, and in this way I am also coming straight. So this is a perfect area. My front camera should be on here, and when I'm doing on selfie, I think that's when it creates a problem. I don't know, but I was talking to mirror, not here camera, sorry, but I figured this out. Okay, good. Hello, not hello. I have started a vlog a long time ago. Yeah, and right now it is 2 o'clock afternoon. After right now it is afternoon, so I'm eating lunch. I have taken a bath and ready, done everything. Now I am gonna edit tomorrow videos description and tags, because those two right now YouTube growth is actually something I need to take care of. So that's why those two things are important. So that's what I'm gonna do. And as for my lunch, it is paneer and chapati. I have a selfie camera, so I don't know how this is coming, but yeah. Oh, oh. I went for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This is what has happened. 2 minutes. This is how much is left. It was full. Oh no. No. This is so not good. This is not so not good. I went for 2 minutes, like legit 2 minutes. Just I get my hair and everything all done. But to continue, but oh, great. I'll be back. This is my, and this is for grandmother. This is tea. I went for 2 minutes, and I cleaned everything because I didn't wanted my grandmother to do most of the work. There's the cloth that I use and the cup that I use to drink my milk. The milk was not that boiled that it had became. I'm out of words. I'm actually out of words because of what just happened. It's 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. After 1 hour, I'll be going for a walk. After coming from, I am gonna actually record myself while I'm gonna be going for a walk because that's a part of my life and I am documenting my life in here as a vlog. See, I'm out of words because I need to find some ways to go outside of my house and found something to upload. I mean, Holi is coming right now. Today is what, 28? 28, I think, yeah. Today is 28, so Holi is coming. That's good. I am gonna record on Holi. That's an entire completely new thing that I'll be doing, festival vlog. And I have some hopes for it because my tomorrow's vlog, long form vlog, didn't had any one view after 16 or so what hours. Zero, nothing. So let's see how much I get in Holi vlog. And now after eating my dinner, I'm gonna go for a night walk. Why did it took so much time for me to say that? I don't know. But yeah, it's 8 o'clock right now, 8:10. Wow, very good. You have dimmed the light and successfully showing the time. Wait, right now, is it opposite or not? Wait. Is this good? Oh god. Arey yaar. I'll meet you there. Boy, I'll farm some clips of me walking. I have to look in front of me at all times. No other choice. There were dogs fighting over there. Wow, their fight still hasn't got off. Ah, great. Last thing that I needed was that. Dogs fighting. Great. Just came back and now I'm just gonna edit my video and upload it. Put some tags, description, everything. So good night, stay safe, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I have follow Instagram link, either link or username, both will work. I put them in the description for sure because I'm not that good with descriptions right now, but I'm learning in a learning phase right now. So that's why. Follow me on Instagram too. Bye.